Hey, what's happening, everybody? So, got a quick little haul and some mail. So, on Tuesday, my Walmart got an L case. I only picked up this guy, Mazda RX-3, because I did pretty much already get just about everything from the L case I wanted from Publix already, as you've seen. But I did pick this guy up. It's recolored on the tuned RX-3. It's matte black. Looks pretty cool. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna open this one up actually. Yeah. Ooh. Awesome. Got that. Nice clear windows on there. Ooh. Got like this graffiti style looking writing on the top. Pretty cool. We got the Japanese writing on the back there. Yeah, this recolor's pretty cool on this. And little tiny tires. This is actually pretty cool. Pretty cool little one. No. Alright. And then I hit a different Walmart that didn't really get anything new. Hit my Target, nothing new there. Well, I guess they got in some more fast wagons, but most of that had been hit already. Checked our Ross, didn't find nothing. And then at a Marshall's, I actually found this. Usually when I pop into the Marshall's, I usually don't find anything there. But I did find this for $3.99. So basically $4. So that's pretty good. It's definitely a good deal now with the prices they are now. So basically half price. 73 Honda Custom. Got the right hand drive on there. Pretty good looking front. And then the back there. Yeah, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then I also had the that rally car from Hammer Drops. So I picked up this guy right here from the JH4, Japan Historics. And I went into a Walgreens that I sometimes have some luck with. And yep, here we go. We got that Walgreens exclusive white colorway on the Shelby with the Gulf. That was pretty. That's probably the most cars I've seen in a Walgreens around here in probably a long ass time. They had like the one single pig that they're usually on was actually mostly full, and I didn't find anything on that. Then I was looking around for the pullbacks, and I saw they had these two clip strips hanging. So if I hadn't been looking for that, I might have missed out. So yeah, this was hanging on a clip strip. And then this was actually re-released because the other cars that were with this were stuff from this year. And as you can see, this is a card from last year. This is last year's card. So the interesting thing here, U.S. card, because you know, got the guaranteed for life up there. But then check out the back up top. There's no case code. Because this was re-released because this was last year's exclusive, and they re-released it again this year. So I just found that to be a little interesting. But yep, first time finding a Walgreens exclusive, so that's pretty cool. It's one I wouldn't normally pick up, but because of the somewhat rarity of it, I went ahead and grabbed that. Now, on to some mail from Whatnot. So this first box is from a seller on Whatnot called Warnock's Warehouse. And it's my first time kind of on their stream. And I entered some giveaway that was going on. Like the car that was up was like a that started to be the giveaway was some older style treasure hunt from back in the day. I guess would have been like what would be like the Super Now or something. I guess it's like a kind of fantasy casting looking one. But then I guess someone that had been in the show already wanted to change the giveaway to something else, and the seller ended up switching it to something else. And it's something I already have. So I was like, man, now I don't want to win. Then go figure, I end up winning the giveaway. But it is something I only found once, so. And then I ended up having to buy some. I ended up buying a couple things. Because when you want a giveaway on there, all this padding in there, giveaway on whatnot, it can reduce your shipping. A lot of paper padding in that box. Pretty well protected. Alright, so. And then I also didn't mind winning the giveaway because it was going to come in our protector. So it basically kind of got a free protector as well. So this was the giveaway. The Chevy Silverado from then now from last year. From last year's L case. So, yeah, this was 100% free on this. So yeah, I only did ever find this once at a Dollar Tree one time randomly. And I always swap this protector out to put on one of my Supers. So, won that. And then I ended up picking up a couple items. This is an older this is from 2020. Copyright 2019, so this set would come out 2020. Well, I didn't see all of these cars go up on the auction block, but what I got was one of the, I guess probably would have been the pay warmer at the time, I'm guessing, based on what else is on here. But it's Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. So I know this is only paid $3 for this. And since I want to give away, the shipping was reduced to like $1 something. So ooh, this is cracked. A little bit of a cracked blister on here. I might have just ended up opening this one up. Alright. A little crack in there. May open this, maybe not. Probably though. Alright, I'll just set that up there for now. And then I hung around on the stream for a while. And I ended up buying one more item. Had some lowriders going up. This card's a little bent. Maybe I might put this in there temporarily just to kind of straighten that out. The 65 Chevy Impala Hot Wheels Workshop. This is from copyright 2013 on there, so it would have been out 2014. Heat Fleet. Yeah, pretty cool. I had a couple different colorways of this that went up. Ended up paying $4 for this one. I was swiping as I was trying to hit 3, and then I guess someone else was swiping at the same time. So when I ended up winning, it was at $4. So, which actually isn't all that bad, because when I did look this up on online, it's what this sells for at least like $6 loose. So it's actually not too bad of a price. And it's lowrider with the flames on there. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And one more middle card. I've been watching my videos, probably seen this exact looking box a couple of times before. I won another giveaway on Man's channel. He randomly was on a Saturday. It's not usually on a Saturday. It's only on for like a half hour, so I popped in real quick, entered the giveaway, and then just ended up winning. I'm like, what? How did I do that? Ooh, I can already kind of see the mystery card in here. Oh, ooh. Looks like we got a good card this time. Last time it was a fantasy that I got in my bag. Got a good one this time. Hell yeah. So, Shandaman 808 on Whatnot. Out in Hawaii. Awesome. Especially as Tuesday night streams. Always a fun show. Just a fun hangout. Don't necessarily have to buy anything, just hang out and watch. Get in the chat if you want. Enter the giveaways for the candies. These are really good. And while I'm opening this, I also recently on a past Tuesday? Yeah, I think it was Tuesday. No, I don't remember what day it was, but I was on the card collector on one of his streams, and I entered one of his giveaways, and I ended up winning on one of his, and it's an older card Ferrari, so I ended up sticking around and buying something on his stream for cheap, fairly cheap. So I'll have that coming in the mail next week. So I got a cool ass car this time around. Hell yeah. Datsun 510. The cherry blossoms. Hell yeah. Very cool. Yeah. 71 Datsun 510 wagon. Ooh, Indonesia. Made in Indonesia on this one when this one was made. I don't know if that's coming on the screen or not. Oh, get in focus. This one's a made in Indonesia base. Yeah, there we go. Made in Indonesia. Yeah, this one's cool. It's got the cherry blossoms on there. Hell yeah. Very cool. Sweet. Awesome car. Hell yeah. But yeah, pretty cool. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Good luck on your hunts and all that jazz, and good luck on those 7-Eleven Supras. Haven't found one yet. Got quite a few 7-Elevens in my area, so I guess maybe just a matter of time. Hopefully, good looking. I just want to find one. I just want one. That's all I need. But anyways, yeah. Once again, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.